Infor Factory Track for LN, the put-away transaction in warehouse mobility. When determining which items to be put away, the operator can scan in a handling unit lot number or serial number in the reference ID field, or select the order type, order number and item, or if the parameters have been set appropriately, can enter a receipt number or a storage list. In all circumstances, the put-away screen will then display matching put-away lines. The operator would select one and the scanner will display the suggested location. The operator should then scan in the actual location and the actual quantity being put away. If the item is serial number controlled, the operator can either select all serials if the entire receipt is being put away, or can manually select the serial numbers that are being put away. The operator can also reset the serial numbers if a mistake has been made, and review the scanned serials so far. Other options which are available are immediate cross-docking if the item is required immediately somewhere else, and label printing.